Unit 6. Vocabulary and Speaking. Jobs and Chores. Exercise 1.
Wash cars. Babysit. Pet sit. Deliver newspapers. Take dogs for walks. Do the ironing. Clean the windows. Do the washing up. Lay the table. Tidy your room. Make the beds. Do the gardening.
Let's dive into this exercise by thinking about the different chores we just discussed. Which ones do you find the most enjoyable? Maybe it's something relaxing, or tasks where you can see immediate results. Now consider which ones are the least enjoyable for you. These might be tasks that feel repetitive or time-consuming. Remember, everyone has different preferences, and that's okay. It's important to understand how these tasks make us feel. Let's take a moment to consider the everyday tasks we encounter. Which ones do you find most enjoyable? Perhaps you relish the sense of accomplishment that comes from tidying your room. Or, maybe you find gardening to be a soothing activity. On the other hand, there are tasks we find less enjoyable. Maybe it's doing the ironing, which can feel repetitive, or washing up, which never seems to end.
Unit 6. Vocabulary and Speaking. Jobs and Chores. Exercise 3.
Too busy to cut the grass and water the flowers? No problem. I can do the gardening for you. Call Alex on 2678 933300.
Animal lover wanted to pet sit and take dogs for walks when we go on holiday. Contact Mr. Briggs on Hepworth 233 856.
Boy or girl wanted to deliver newspapers. Weekdays 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. £5 per hour. Must have own bicycle. Contact Smith's Newsagents, 23 Clee Road.
Spend your summer working in a seaside hotel. We need someone in August to tidy the rooms and make the beds. For more information, contact the manager of the Blue Beach Hotel.
17-year-old girl who loves children wants to babysit 2 to 3 evenings a week. Ring Mandy on 8722 0996.
Which two people are looking for work? Alex and Mandy. Exercise 3. Think about the chores you do at home. Complete the sentences. Let's reflect on our home chores. Like setting the table, which can become second nature. 1. I always lay the table. What chore do you usually handle? 2. I usually do the washing up. I sometimes allows for occasional tasks. 3. I sometimes clean the windows. Finally, consider the chores you never do, as they indicate your preferences. 4. I never wash cars. Exercise 5. Work in pairs. Ask and answer questions about the chores you do. For example, do you do the washing up?
Yes, sometimes.
Now take turns asking each other about the household chores you handle. This is a wonderful opportunity to learn more about each other's routines, and perhaps uncover some similarities or differences. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.